Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. Recently I found some 3D printed sweet candy on a spool. 1.75 candy on a spool. It smells just like apple. So I've recently printed out some test products which was made in solid infill and like a jelly material printed on greaseproof paper. Then we're going to go look at some test samples. Here we have 4 test prints. One's a bit crooked as it nearly come off the heated bed, and we just take one. It's got like kind of like a candy twist to it. Tastes just like apple. If you like YouTube printed sweets, live long and freely prosper and happy April Fool's Day, as gummy sweet doesn't exist on plastic. If you like April Fools and any other things, oh. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.